dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books, not long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. Well worth it, I believe.
4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man. It goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
A wise man once said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." Words to live by, man. This ain't just some hippie mantra, it's the damn truth. Your body is your temple, your vehicle, your all-in-one machine for experiencing life. You neglect it, you're neglecting the ride, plain and simple. We only get one shot at this thing called life. You want to spend it feeling sluggish, weak, and out of breath? Or do you want to be that guy, the one who's still hiking mountains and surfing waves when his buddies are stuck in rocking chairs? Fitness, my friends, it ain't just about looking good in a mirror, it's about building a foundation that supports every aspect of your life. It's the foundation for a healthy, vibrant existence. It's about feeling alive every single day. It's about energy, stamina, the kind of strength that lets you keep up with your kids, crush it at work, and still have gas in the tank at the end of the day. Imagine playing with your kids without feeling exhausted or tackling a challenging project at work with enthusiasm. You think those CEOs running empires are slouches? Think again. They understand the importance of maintaining their physical health to sustain their demanding schedules. They're up before dawn, hitting the gym, clearing their heads, getting that blood flowing. They know that a strong start to the day sets the tone for success. Why? Because they know a sharp mind needs a sharp body. Physical fitness and mental clarity go hand in hand. You can't expect a high-performance engine to run on junk food and soda, right? Your body is no different. Same goes for your body. Nourish it with the right foods, and it will reward you with peak performance. You put in the good stuff. Clean eating, consistent exercise, you get out the good stuff. Energy, vitality, and a body that just won't quit. It's a simple equation. Invest in your health, and you'll reap the benefits in every area of your life. They say exercise is the fountain of youth, and let me tell you, that ain't no marketing BS. It's the real deal. You want to stay young, feel young, think young, then move your ass. Think about it. What happens when we age? We slow down, stiffen up, lose that youthful vigor. Exercise? It fights that. It keeps your joints lubricated, your muscles strong, your mind sharp. Section 4. Consistency is key. Now, I'm not saying you gotta become some kind of gym rat obsessed with every rep. You don't need to live and breathe the gym life, but you gotta move, man, every single day. It's about making movement a part of your daily life. Find what you love, what gets you fired up, and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Whether it's lifting weights, practicing yoga, or running, make it your thing. Could be hitting the weights, going for a run, or even just a brisk walk in the park. Joining a martial arts class, whatever floats your boat. The key is consistency. Stick with it. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth, and watch your body transform. Just like you wouldn't skip brushing your teeth, don't skip your workout. And hey, don't be afraid to mix it up. Variety is the spice of life after all. Your body craves variety, so throw in some cardio, some strength training, some flexibility work. Mix and match to keep things fresh. Keep it interesting, keep it challenging, and most importantly, keep it fun. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore. It becomes a part of who you are.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man, or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Section 5. Reaping the rewards. Here's the thing, gentlemen, putting in the work now. It ain't just about looking good today. It's about setting yourself up for a future where you're still calling the shots, still living on your own terms. Imagine this. You're retired, financially secure, and you're ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You want to travel the world, hike the Inca Trail, spend your days chasing grandkids without your back giving out? That's the power of investing in your health. You're not just building a body, you're building freedom. Freedom from aches, pains, and limitations. Freedom to live life on your own terms, long after others have hung up their hats. Section 6. Live life to the fullest. Look, life's too short to be stuck on the sidelines. You don't want to be the person watching others live their dreams while you stand by, do you? You want to be the guy in the game, the one making memories, the one who's still got that fire in his belly? Then move your body. Get out there and be active. Make fitness a non-negotiable, a pillar of your existence. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, inside and out. Fuel it with good food, nutritious meals that give you the energy to tackle your day. Challenge it with consistent exercise, pushing your limits and breaking barriers. And watch your life transform. You'll see changes not just in your body, but in your mind and spirit too. You'll have more energy, more confidence, more life in your years. Every step you take, every rep you complete, brings you closer to a better you. And trust me, when you hit your 60s, 70s, and beyond, you'll be grateful. You'll be thanking your younger self for making the right choices, for investing in your future. You'll be the one still standing, still exploring, still living life to the fullest. Age will just be a number. And that, my friends, is the greatest reward of all. A life well lived, full of joy, health, and endless possibilities.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family.